Fun facts about space you won't believe. Space isn't calm and quiet. It's a chaotic, beautiful, cosmic roller coaster filled with explosions, diamonds, storms, and the occasional alien mystery. So buckle up, because here are some fun facts about space you won't believe. The sun isn't just big, it's ridiculous. It holds 99.8% of our entire solar system's mass. Everything else, planets, moons, you, me, we're basically cosmic crumbs orbiting a nuclear fireball. One day on Venus is longer than a whole year on Venus. That planet spins so slowly you could finish school, change careers, and still be waiting for Tuesday. And speaking of Venus, it's the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. Why? Because Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat like the world's worst oven. Space actually has a smell. Astronauts say it smells like burnt steak, gunpowder, and hot metal. Basically, cosmic barbecue. And if you ever get lost in space, you might drift into a giant cloud of alcohol. Yes, a real one, big enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Space is literally one giant floating bar. You actually grow taller in space, about 2 inches. Zero gravity lets your spine stretch out, which is great, until you come back to Earth and shrink again. Neptune's winds are faster than bullets, reaching over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's not weather, that's blender mode. Jupiter's Great Red Spot? It's a storm that's been raging for at least 3 centuries. Imagine one hurricane that's been angry since the 1700s. And Saturn, the planet with the rings, could literally float in water. If you could find a pool that big, you'd have the galaxy's coolest pool toy. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about 4 centimeters every year. It's basically ghosting us in slow motion. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds called 55 Cancri E. So somewhere out there, a planet is flexing harder than every rapper combined. The Milky Way smells and tastes like raspberries and rum. Scientists found the same chemical that gives raspberries their flavor and rum its aroma at the center of our galaxy. So yes, the universe is both drunk and delicious. You could fit 1 million Earths inside the sun, but only one has Wi-Fi. And if you screamed in space, no one could hear you. There's no air to carry sound. So space is literally the universe's mute button. There are rogue planets floating around with no star at all, just cosmic wanderers, drifting endlessly in the dark. The coldest place in the known universe is minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost absolute zero. That's colder than your ex texting. We need to talk. On Mars, sunsets look blue instead of red. So when Earth ends, maybe we'll just move there for the aesthetic. Mars also has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and about as wide as the entire state of Arizona. If 2 pieces of metal touch in space, they instantly fuse together. It's called cold welding. So yeah, space doesn't believe in personal space. You can't cry in space. Tears just stick to your face. It's like sad zero-gravity slime. Astronauts also can't burp. Without gravity, gas doesn't separate from liquid. Every soda is a risky business up there. The International Space Station travels around Earth every 90 minutes, which means astronauts see 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every day. Jet lagged. Try space lag. In space, the stars don't twinkle. They only twinkle when their light passes through Earth's atmosphere. Out there, they just burn, steady and silent. Some stars explode so violently they outshine entire galaxies for a few seconds. That's the universe throwing fireworks just because it can. Every single year, about 100 tons of space dust and rock hit Earth. You're literally breathing in tiny bits of space right now. There's a planet where it rains glass, sideways, at 4,000 miles per hour. Yeah, let's not book a vacation there. The sun is actually white, not yellow. Earth's atmosphere just gives it a warm, golden filter. Nature's Instagram mode. Pluto's surface has a giant heart-shaped glacier made of frozen nitrogen. Even after being kicked out of the Planet Club, it's still showing love. If you could drive a car straight upward, you'd reach space in under an hour. That's faster than most people's morning commute. Astronaut suits cost around $12 million each. So if you spill coffee on one, congratulations, you just ruined the price of a mansion. Some neutron stars are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh 1 billion tons. Good luck stirring that into your tea. Black holes aren't holes. They're incredibly dense points where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. So if you drop your phone in one, yeah, it's gone forever. And fun fact, our entire galaxy is moving through space at over 1 million miles per hour. So even if you're sitting still, you're basically speedrunning the universe right now. The universe itself is still expanding, faster and faster, like it's in a hurry to get somewhere. And someday, far into the future, all the stars will move so far apart that the night sky will be completely dark. But for now, look up. Every star you see is part of a story that's billions of years old, burning light across impossible distances just so you can see it tonight. Space isn't empty. It's full of secrets, chaos, and beauty. And the craziest fact of all, out of everything in the universe, you're a part of it. Join us in the next video for more fun facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe.